It's a vegan Danish bakery. So I think that the village just stops over here. There's nothing more. So we got a vegan Danish bakery. Let's take a look inside. All right, so I'm inside Danish bakery, I believe. Oh, where did I put my card? So we're inside Danish bakery. They've been around for, I think she said 15 years here, and then 8. I didn't know there was a Toronto location in the Parkdale neighborhood, so we have to check them out. All right, so, and I had a nice chat with the owner, Lily, and I might challenge myself and go vegan and try it for a month or more. All right, to be fair to myself, I think I'm gonna challenge myself to go 10 days. So I'm gonna challenge myself for 10 days to go vegan. Good fiber, I need that. Good source of fiber. Soy curls. Delicious protein strip. Literature on vegan eating, I guess. They have vegan chocolate. I might pick up a few. There's vegan bacon or Vega bacon. And they have beautiful baked goods. They have empanada. I might try the empanada. Their spinach pie looks good. They have tiramisu cheesecake. New York style cheesecake. Nice seating area. So, I'm gonna come back here and have lunch. Okay, inside Danish bakery, vegan Danish bakery. Vegan empanada and a vegan spinach pie. Look at the beautiful empanada and spinach pie. Looks lovely. I'm starving. I'm gonna dig in. Do a quick review here. So here we are. Danish bakery and it's vegan. They have 2 locations. We're here in the Thornhill location, in the Thornhill village. And they have one downtown Toronto on Queen Street West and Dufferin in Parkdale neighborhood, which convenient for me, so I'll check them out. So nicely made. It's beautiful. All right, so I'll use my hands for this one. I'm gonna dip it in the chimney something. So let's dip it in. Good. You know, I like the pastry part. It's a good one. I don't know what filling is, probably just vegetables. Good amount of filling, guys. Yeah. I think I see olives in here. Where's Lily? I want to ask her what's inside. Really good. Definitely would get these again. Black olives. Oh, I'll go back to that after. I'm going to try the spinach pie. I don't know if you really need a fork now. Pretty solid. Yum. Really good. It's moist, it's not dry. Not greasy. That's good. Flaky and good. The spinach is nice. So I don't know, obviously vegan if there's cheese in here. Where's Lily? Lily is the owner. I've had a nice chat with her. So I might challenge myself, but then I'm maybe August. I'll challenge myself for a month and eat vegan. So yes, if you're visiting Thornhill or downtown Toronto in Parkdale, check out Danish bakery. I got two good things here. Take your bite. Yum. Very good. Back on because I'm having a vegan chocolate ice cream. Everything's made here, amazing. So, and it looks good, lovely. That brache. Oh, I gotta take a picture of this. Okay, let's give this a try. Wow, so good. Chocolatey. I like the vegan ice cream. Very good. Take your lick. So good. And that beauty. Danish bakery in Thornhill. Vegan. Lovely. I'm hooked. I'll be back. And I'm gonna check out the one downtown. It's a little different, I believe. We'll see. And it's a family-owned business, so that's a good thing. Yum. Came back on to say it tastes like a fudgicle, and it tastes very clean. There's no and this is my first time having vegan ice cream. I'm hooked now. It's very good. Very good. Reminds me of a fudgicle back in the day. If anyone knows what a fudgicle